Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to the Universal Orlando Resort. We're back checking out the progress on Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift. I see some work lights on over there, so it is likely that some track sections got added overnight. Let's go take a deeper look. Well, looky here, we have the switch track installed. Rumor has it that this is the largest switch track piece Intamin has ever installed. Well, we got some railings on the mid-course brake run. They're starting to work on the more fine details now. Time for that upstairs view. They're actively working this morning. Looks like crews are having a little bit of an alignment issue with the track piece that they installed over at the switch. You can see the left side is a little bit higher than the right side is. So crews are shimming it to try to realign it to make sure it's absolutely perfect. We have crews all over the site today. Pace is definitely starting to pick up. Very muddy site this morning. We had a lot of rain last night. Well, hello there, Mr. Crane. I wonder what you are up to today. Here's a quick look over at Category 10, going in City Walk. Not much going on. Let's go take a look at Islands of Adventure and see what's going on at the Lost Continent today. And over here we've got Poseidon's Fury. Rumor has it that they have started demolition on the building towards the back of it. Let's see if we can actually spot that today. Work walls have now been expanded, encompassing the right side of Mythos. As you can see, work walls continue this way. This, my friends, is the morning line for Hagrid's. Currently showing a 2-hour wait. A single rider will probably be your best option right now. Back over by the Lost Continent restrooms, we have work walls now, closing them off. That means demolition might begin soon on those. The restroom building is attached to First Aid. And this is one of the entrances to First Aid. So we may see this portion of the building hang around a while longer, as it's definitely a service that guests need. For now, though, it looks like it's quite a walk to the nearest restroom. Poseidon's Fury is not going to be standing much longer. Several of the Mythos waterfalls are no longer operating. We just have a little bit of a trickle now. Boy, are we going to miss this beautiful area to check out Velocicoaster. Next year, this restaurant Mythos will be closing. Let's do a little check-in over here at River Adventure. Not much is going on at the moment. Roof work has appeared to have stalled, or they're just waiting on materials. But not much to report over at River Adventure currently. Theme Park Pigeon! Thunder Falls currently closed as it's getting redesigned, likely into a sit-down restaurant to replace Mythos once that closes next year. Looks like they got it all level and plumb. Lots of HVAC equipment going in over here by one of the utility buildings. There's a lot of water up on that roof. Crews are actively working on the LSMs, getting them all wired up. Expect to see some cable trays going in over here pretty soon to help assist in the installation of them. Looks like because of all the rain that we've been getting, they have not done too much work over here in preparation for the storm sewer drainage and eventual pathway. Just as a reminder, it is very hot and humid in Florida this time of year. So we get rainstorms every day. We have new track. So originally I was thinking that this turn, which is coming off the main music stage and plaza area, this is going to be a very high-speed turn. I thought it was going to be a corkscrew, but it looks like, because the edge of that piece is not continuing its rotation, it might just be a S-bend. Those are mounting brackets for the LSMs. Definitely the next section will have more LSMs. We have a piece of track poking out. It looks like we have the beginning of a twist motion here. Let's take a look at the station area, see if there's any changes over here today. It's not closed up quite yet. When will you get filled in? Anyone want to place bets? Very large dirt pile over here. Looks like crews are starting to get ready to enclose the building on the far right side. Definitely an active site this morning. Not too much going on the ground level though. Well friends, that's the latest construction progress on Fast and Furious Hollywood Drift at the Universal Orlando Resort. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow ParkScope for more updates as this amazing new coaster continues to take shape. Don't forget to download ParkScope, available on the Apple App Store for tvOS, iOS, and iPadOS. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.